Hello everyone and welcome to day 15. I delivered to you a special on day 5 and 10 of a plank series. So we're going to deliver again on day 15 for you with some modified variations of different kinds of planks, all right? You're going to join me in high plank in 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes has started on our clock, all right? And I want you just to push your heels back, reach your chest forward, start to really firm up your core. And what we're going to do is just lower our left forearm. So I want you to put your left forearm down. Right hand is rooted into the mat. Reach back through your heels. Reach your heart forward, firming up through your core. Good. Now put your right forearm down to meet your left forearm. So now you're in a forearm plank. Good. Now we're going to straighten our left arm. Good. Just our right forearm is on the mat now. You guys having fun yet? And now push, straighten your right arm. Nice, so we're gonna do that again, but this time we're gonna lower our right forearm first. So just put your right forearm down on the mat. Keep your left palm right where it is in line with your right elbow. 3, 2. Now put your left forearm down so you're in full forearm plank. So you'll feel a slight shift in your hips there, but shouldn't feel like too much. Now put your right hand down. Again, my elbow is lined up with my palm, and I want that for you too. Ready, set, high plank. Good. Now take your time. We're going to very slowly start to lower the right forearm down, and then you're going to walk your toes in. You're going to raise your left leg up, pull your left knee to your left elbow 4 times. 1, push back. 2, push back. 3, push back. Last rep, 4, leg up, hold it, lower. Good. Now walk your toes back. Ready, set, left forearm comes down. Now you're back to forearm plank. Good. Exhale, right palm flat, and then push high plank. All right, now put your left forearm down, hold it. Right palm is flat. We have not dropped our knees yet, okay? Walk your toes in. This is your little break. Right leg rises 4 times. Right knee to right elbow or tricep. 1, push back. 2, push back. We did these in a dolphin pose earlier in the series. Last rep. Push. Toes together. Crawl back. Hold it. Put your right forearm down. Hold. 4. Good. 3, 2. Left forearm, right palm. Left palm, right palm. Woo! Now, super plank. Walk your hands way out in front of you. My toes are way back behind you. My core is pulling in. So even though my t-shirt is falling down, my belly is lifting. 4. My hands are way out in front of me. 3. I'm reaching back. 2. Good. Bring your hands back under your shoulders. Now, wide arm plank. Bring my hand off the mat. Bring my hand off the mat. Bring my leg off the mat, foot, and then my other foot. 3. You should feel this one. 2. Now, put your right forearm down, parallel to the edge of your mat. Put your left forearm down, wide forearm plank. 5. This one's much harder. 4. Bring your feet in 3, 2, big jump. Good. High plank, one hand, other hand, normal high plank, hold it. Good. Stay with me. Breathe. Funky plank, left forearm. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Put your right forearm down. Hold. 3. We have less than a minute. 2, 1. Left palm. Hold it. 4, 3. Come on. 2. High plank. Hold it. Good. Now lower your right forearm. Hold it. 3. Come on. 2, 1. Both forearms. Hold it. 3. Shoulders are burning. 2. Right palm. Hold it. 4. High plank in 3, 2. High plank. Up, up, up. Good. Hold. Exhale. Super plank. Reach. Reach. Push back through your heels. Get your body in the shaky motion. Hold it, hold it. 3, 2. Can you put your forearms down? Boom. Hold, 4. Come on, 3. That's it. 2, high plank. 10 seconds right here. Come on, finish line. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Hold it. 2. Hold it. 1. Oh, baby. That one burned the shoulders, didn't it? Nice work, guys. I'll see you tomorrow for day 16 of Holiday Hustle.